In sports, we go to athletics. From sprinting to shaping futures, Olympic gold medalist Shelly-Ann Fraser-Pryce, the legendary pocket rocket, is shifting gears from the track to mentorship, launching the Student Athlete Summit, Ready, Set, Accelerate, to equip youth with the skills and mindset needed for success beyond sports. Chanel Matthews has more in this report.
Whatever sport that you are chasing right now, it has an expiration.
Shelly-Ann Fraser-Pryce, the pocket rocket, has stepped off the track to inspire youth. Through her foundation, she launched the Student Athlete Summit, Ready, Set, Accelerate, a groundbreaking event to prepare young athletes for life beyond sports.
So at the Pocket Rocket Foundation, our mandate is to just make sure that the next generation of student athletes that comes out of the foundation, and by extension outside of Jamaica, will be athletes who are better equipped to navigate the space, to navigate their transition, and to understand that, you know, there's more they can offer the world, and we want to help them to navigate that space.
We want to say and send the message to our students that it's more important to first focus on education and then athletics, right? It's not an either or. You can do both and you can be successful at both.
Yes, we have a gift. God has given us a gift.
Fraser-Pryce emphasized the importance of developing skills beyond athletics, sharing her journey from a young girl with Olympic dreams to a global icon.
During the early years of my career while in Waterhouse, it was hard for me to see beyond what I saw in my present environment. And so for me, growing up and having those experiences and not being confident in self and didn't really have that belief, when I eventually got to that stage where I actually started to have confidence and understood that I wanted to be more for myself, is when I realized that the Pocket Rocket Foundation is the reason, or it exists to create lasting change in the lives of student athletes.
The summit features workshops, mentorship, and life skills training to help student athletes build confidence and resilience.
As a student athlete or cricketer, this foundation has helped me mentally, because just to hear from people who are such an icon to this foundation, it helps me to know that we can be mentally strong and focused. Not just that, but the opportunity they give us, I am grateful for.
I am a mother of a student athlete, two actually, different age groups. None of them are here, but the value I see in the foundation is bringing these, not just the foundation itself and the work that it does, which is very important, you know, helping athletes to further their education, but the summit itself today, what I realized, you know, bringing students together, student athletes together, so that they can hear from those who've gone before and persons in the professional space, how it is that they can transition, and realizing that it's not just about sport, but there's a life beyond sport.
Okay, so there's one student athlete that's a part of the Pocket Rocket Foundation that comes from Waterhouse. His name is Jamal Stevenson. Jamal is a student at the Calabar High School for Boys. He's also a 100-meter sprinter. So he's been a part of our foundation for 1 year. He just started. And we are really, for me, it's a privilege to have somebody who comes from the community be a part of a movement that seeks to inspire young student athletes, and by extension, someone that comes from my community can benefit from my own inspiration, knowing that he too is from the same community.
Her initiative reminds us that nurturing the whole person, body, mind, and spirit is key to lasting success. Reporting for the news on PBCJ, I'm Chanel Matthews.